Spotify Camp Nou is entering a new phase, and this latest update is packed with major breakthroughs. The first exterior sandwich panels are finally going up. Ceramic lamellas are appearing at the mobility cores, and the massive compression ring is pushing closer across the stadium. But one development in this update could signal that the transformation is now accelerating faster than ever. Today's update begins with an important development at the south goal, where workers have finally started installing sandwich panels on the exterior of one of the mobility cores. The first panel is being carefully lifted into a very narrow space between the supports for the ceramic lamellas. Using a suction lifting system, workers are guiding the panel into position while coordinating precisely with the crane operator. This appears to be the first exterior sandwich panel installed on this particular mobility core. Several panels have already been installed on the interior side, while the exterior section is now beginning to move forward. Around the structure, workers continue preparing the surrounding areas, with elevated platforms active across the corner and additional work taking place around the mobility core. Further along the south goal, new connecting beams have been installed between the smaller support structures for the ceramic lamellas. These elements were not present during the previous update, while the upper section still requires further work. Additional support components must be installed before the anchors can be properly aligned. Once these preparations are completed, the area will be ready for the next stage of ceramic lamella installation. The biggest development in this section is the arrival of the first ceramic lamellas at the mobility core. After several lamellas had already been prepared nearby, installation has now officially begun. These elements will eventually cover the mobility core, which contains the stairways and elevator systems. The arrangement in this section appears slightly different from other parts of the stadium. Instead of the usual combination of colored and base-colored elements, the newly installed piece appears to be a single base lamella. The exact reason for this arrangement is unclear, although the position of the anchor suggests that it could be the final lamella in this particular section beside the sandwich panels. Regardless of the pattern, the key development is that lamella installation has now started in this mobility core area. The first level is expected to take longer because the lamellas are being installed across the lower false ceiling section. The upper levels should progress more quickly, as the lamellas will be installed mainly around the support brackets. For now, the focus remains on completing this first level and extending the installation across the remaining section. Moving toward the lateral side, workers are removing formwork panels from one of the recently concreted diamond structures. Several panels have already been removed, while a few remain around the lower corners. On the lateral side, workers are continuing to align the anchors for the future ceramic lamellas. Guidelines are stretched between the support points to ensure that every anchor is positioned accurately. Several sections are still undergoing this alignment process. Once the anchors are correctly adjusted, this area will be ready to follow the same installation process now underway at the south goal. Another diamond structure on the lateral side is still covered with formwork panels and temporary scaffolding. Once the panels are removed, the structure will begin to reveal its final form, similar to the neighboring diamond that has already been cleared. Another mobility core and diamond section still require several structural components. Additional diagonal connections, support elements, sandwich panels, and concrete panels remain to be installed across the lower and front sections. Although the main structure has advanced considerably, the surrounding elements still require further work before this area can be considered complete. At the north goal, several work platforms remain active around the mobility core and stair sections. Some ceramic lamellas are still stored nearby, while other spaces remain open between different sections of the facade. The surrounding structural beams are also being prepared for painting before the next stages of sandwich panel installation can begin. Additional activity is taking place beneath the overhanging sections of the north goal. Workers are operating around the platforms and technical elements installed beneath the structure, continuing the preparation work across this part of the stadium. The same process is gradually advancing toward the corner section, where the most visible lamella progress is now taking place. The north goal corner is showing clear progress with the installation of ceramic lamellas. The work has advanced across the lower false ceiling section, with a growing number of lamellas now installed across the first level. The installation is gradually extending toward the remaining sections of the corner, although a considerable distance still remains before reaching the older stadium structure. A new ceramic lamella is being lifted into position by crane as workers carefully guide it toward its final location. Each piece must be aligned precisely with the surrounding supports before it can be secured. The installation is continuing in a specific sequence, with additional colored elements still required to complete the pattern across this section. From the terrace, the compression ring can be seen advancing across the north goal corner. One pillar and a radial beam are already in position, while another radial beam is still required in the upper section. Temporary supports have also been installed between the main structural elements, preparing the area for the next stage of steel installation. The south goal corner remains further ahead, but the north goal section continues to advance steadily. The tribune terrace is now filled with construction materials and steel components. Several yellow elements have been delivered to the area, while lifting chains and equipment are being prepared for the movement of additional structural pieces. The area also contains numerous temporary supports connected to the ongoing compression ring work. The tower crane is positioned nearby and appears ready to move some of the smaller steel elements into position. A significant section of sandwich panel installation has now been completed on the upper level of the mobility core. Both visible sections are now fully covered, marking another important step in enclosing this part of the structure. Additional painting work is also taking place around the surrounding beams and supports. At the diamond structure, work continues on the supports for the future glazing and entrance systems. Additional components are now being fitted around the upper section of the entrance frame. Workers are carefully preparing each element before installing it into position, gradually completing the support structure required for the future glass system. Additional support connections for the ceramic lamellas are also being installed around the surrounding sections. Some supports are already in place, while other areas are still waiting for their remaining components. Workers are also treating and painting the connection points before the final support elements are installed. Higher up, workers are continuing to install protective netting beneath the overhanging sections. The netting is being opened and secured across the area where technical elements will be installed. This preparation work is now extending across another section of the stadium, following the same process already completed on lower levels. The latest view of the compression ring reveals further progress across the structure. Multiple steel box segments, radial beams, and pillars are now visible, with another box segment appearing to have been installed since the previous update. Temporary support structures remain positioned between the main structural elements, preparing the area for the continued installation of additional steel boxes. The compression ring is steadily extending across the corner and moving toward the next major sections of the stadium. And with the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou continuing to take shape, every new update brings the stadium one step closer to its next big chapter. The journey is far from over, and the next phase could reveal even more dramatic changes.